In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to watch football matches on mobile. This works on both iPhone and Android devices. Head to your Chrome. It can be any other browser of your own choice. In the search bar, write in Soccer 808. You will see a bunch of different websites, but you have to choose this very first website. Don't worry, I'll leave the site link in this video description. Now on the display page, you will see all live games in here. Now to watch any game, now let's say this one. Simply head to it and tap on the play button. Now in case of any ads, you just have to remove them. And by the way, when you start watching, there are no ad breaks, making it more interesting. Well, that's how easy it is to watch live football games on mobile. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.